So hello, welcome back. My name is Glenn. In today's video we're talking about these things. So these are Arnott shapes and they contain food inside. So this is a snack in Australia and this is a biscuit. It might not look like a biscuit, but we call it a biscuit. So this is a shaped biscuit. And here we have the actual, oh that was upside down. Here we have shapes, garlic and cheese. So the biscuit is contained in a box. So this is a box. Why is a box? It's made out of paper and it has sides. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, like a cube or a rectangle. It contains stuff inside, so boxes can contain different stuff, and these ones are quite delicious. Inside the box we have a foil wrapping. So this is more like plastic with foil. So it's 2 types of material and it's contained in the box. So if you want to say, I took the biscuit out of the foil wrapper that was in the box. So I hope this helps you if you're learning English, and if you have any questions leave it down below. And also check out my other videos which seek to help you learn about the different terminologies in English.